Hey, welcome to the show. Check this out. This is a 960-piece world flag sticker set. There are 192 countries right here, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sets, and in each set you're going to get 5 stickers each. So for instance, right here, if you have Taiwan, you're going to get 5 Taiwan stickers. This is really neat for if you're a classroom teacher and you're learning about geography. Maybe you have a student or a child that is collecting, different countries in their notebook, or you just want to have these around in your house. There's so many possible uses for this. Let's take a little closer look right here. This is your set, your first set. And they're just so colorful. Really like them. Let's go ahead and take a look at our next set here. Yeah, I like that. Beautiful stickers. Here's our next one here, Belgium. I am part Belgium. And our next set here, beautiful colors. Really like these. Over on this side, and then our last set right here. Yeah, they are very cool. Let's take one of these out just to see what it looks like. I have a stapler right here, and I'm going to peel one of these stickers off to show you what it looks like. All right, there it is there. Has a really good sticky background on it. I'm going to put this on my stapler. Seals really nice. Yeah, if you need to take that off, just peel the back here, and then they can come off. But I'll tell you, it's really sticky. So if you peeled it off and put it on something else, it's going to have no problem sticking on that. So beautiful. Hey, check these out. Sure appreciate it if you hit that likey button down below. And like always, have a fun day. Adios.